In this video, I'm going to talk about code.org. Great website, it's free, teachers can make an account, and students will have a variety of apps and games that they can learn how to code and program. And on code.org, they also have this thing called Hour of Code. And if you sign up for an account, it's free. You get notifications of when the Hour of Code is, and it's a great website if you're looking for a way to introduce coding into your classroom. If you go to create an account, you're going to sign up as teacher, give your school email address, password, what your name's going to be, and then there's optional choices that you can have. Then you're going to click down here to agree to the updated terms of service and privacy policy and sign up. So once you've signed up, you'll see your name here. You can go to these different tabs for support, to look more in your account, your teacher homepage, and the Code Studio, which is where all the games are. This is the great part that I really enjoy about signing up. If you go to student accounts and progress, you can see what your students are mastering. If you just want kids to experience it and you don't really care about, the data that comes with it, then I wouldn't even worry about creating an account. Kids can just go to Hour of Code and choose from a number of games. And some of these games are from popular videos or movies or games. And I'm just going to show you Moana for right now. That's a pretty popular movie right now. And I'm going to click Start. So you can watch a video. It's an introduction. And I'm going to click the X button there. And like I said, that was just an intro of what this coding is all about. And you can see the first lesson out of 19 lessons, you're learning how to use the Move Forward button. So I click OK. So there's this little spiral location that I need to meet. Right now it says when run, move forward. This is my workspace. This is the program. These are the code blocks. Now if you watch the Ozobot videos, you would know about code blocks because we use that code blocks on the Ozo Blockly. Also on Osmo Coding, there was code blocks, but there were manipulatives that you can use with your hands. So here, if I click run, this boat will move forward. But what's the problem? I need to move forward again. So I'm going to retry it. I'm going to move forward again. All right, so I completed the first level. And within this game, it will teach the students how to use sequencing more efficiently, finding ways to solve problems or how to get out of problems, repeating blocks, looping blocks, just a number of things that will have students think critically. Now, if students want something else, there's Minecraft, which will be very similar. Block codes, Star Wars block codes also. This Make a Flappy game. Students can make their own game in this app right here. This Code Combat. This is more for advanced coders, because students will have to type. They'll actually have to write their codes. So I'll click play. And they call this coding Python coding. It's not block codes. And let me show you what that looks like. So I'm going to pick my player. And like many other games, at the beginning, they'll give you an arrow to kind of guide you where to go. So right now on Code Combat, I need to move the hero to this diamond.
You can use these methods.
So they already wrote hero.move right. I need to come up with the next code. So I can type in hero, move down. And you have to write it exactly how it's shown. All right. Now I need to write another code. Now, if you saw it, once you hit the H, you're going to see a number of codes there already. You can also just click on it. A little bit easier, but I noticed some of the kids that have progressed into this level, they really enjoy typing it out. They call themselves hackers. So they feel more confident when they're typing it out. And that's the end of the first level. And of course, like many games, it gets progressively harder. So this is a little bit more advanced coding. Go ahead and click off of that window. And there's just tons and tons of different apps that students can use. I hope you enjoyed code.org. There is tons of things you can do with it. I highly recommend you take a look at it, make an account, and enjoy what it has to offer. See you next time.